morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about the genetic code. Already you have learned about the structure of DNA molecule. Two strands are present in a DNA molecule. The DNA molecule is involved in synthesis of RNA molecules. The synthesis of RNA from DNA molecule is known as transcription. What are the nitrogen bases in RNA molecule? Already have learned about the nitrogen bases in nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. The RNA is consist of the nitrogen bases uracil, cytosine, adenine and guanine. So these are repeated. Uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. Thymine is absent in RNA molecule, whereas it's present in DNA molecule. So these nitrogen bases are codes for the amino acids. In transcription process, the RNA is synthesized from a DNA molecule. Later, the RNA is involved in synthesis of a polypeptide chain. Here the RNA is consist of nitrogen bases. These are codes for the amino acids, different types of the amino acids. The four nitrogen bases. How many nitrogen bases are present in RNA molecule? Four kinds of the nitrogen bases: uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. So these four nitrogen bases are forms the 64 codons in a genetic code. The codon, what is codon? Three adjacent nitrogen bases are known as codon. Look at here, in this mRNA strand, what is the first nitrogen base? Uracil. Adjacent, next succeeding nitrogen base is cytosine. Then after adenine. So these three nitrogen bases are collectively known as codon. Next codon, guanine, uracil, cytosine. These three are one codon. So the mRNA is consists of the nitrogen bases like as uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. The three adjacent nitrogen bases collectively known as a codon. So these codons are codes for the amino acids. Okay. So amino acids, 20 types of amino acids are involved in synthesis of proteins in polypeptide chain. 20 types of amino acids are present. It must be remember important for objective point of view. So how many types of amino acids are involved in protein synthesis? 20 types of amino acids. How many codons are present in genetic code? 64 codons. The four nitrogen bases are involved in forms codons. So the 64 codons are present in the genetic code. Among these 64, 61 codons are codes for the amino acids. Rest of the 3 codons are not codes for amino acids. The number is also important. So how many codons among the 64 codons? 61 codons are codes for synthesis of amino acids. Rest of the 3 codons are not codes for synthesis of amino acids. This number is also important for objective point of view. How many codons are present in the genetic code? 64 codons. How many codons are codes for synthesis of amino acids? Among the 64, 61 codons. How many codons are not codes for synthesis of amino acids? 3 codons. Okay, so from this concept, objective point of view, they may ask that how many codons are present in a genetic code? 64 codons. Okay, how many codons are involved in synthesis of amino acids? 61. How many codons do not code for synthesis of amino acids? 3 codons. Okay, here the nitrogen bases. How many nitrogen bases are present in RNA? 4 types of nitrogen bases. What are they? Uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. So here checkerboard is helpful to find the number of codons. Okay, here the first position, how many nitrogen bases? 4 types of nitrogen bases, UC, AZ. And this is the second position, UC, AZ. And this row is the third position, UC, AZ. Okay, now which nitrogen bases will come? The first one, this is first position, and second position, that right side one is the third position. Okay, U, and in right third position, U. That's red color nitrogen base, U. Okay, U. This is one codon. Next, and first position U, and whereas in second position U, yellow color U, and the third position next nitrogen base C, U, C nitrogen base. This is one codon. Okay, like that. This is next codon U. This uracil, and whereas in second position uracil, and here in third position adenine, UUA. Okay, next codon is UG. Next, this is in one column, and in next column the uracil in first position, second position C, and third position U. This is one codon. And whereas in next codon, first position, take the first position U, and the second position C, and third position C, UCC codon. Okay, and next UCA codon. Next codon is UCG, like that. Okay, next third row, what is the first nitrogen base? First nitrogen base, uracil, adenine, uracil. This is one codon. And next codon, uracil, adenine, cytosine. Okay, next codon, uracil, adenine, UAA, one codon. Next, what is the next codon? In first position, U. Okay, in second position, this column A. Next, G, UAG. This one codon. Okay, next, in first position, uracil, whereas in second position, the guanine. In third position, first nitrogen base, UGU. Okay, next, what is the next codon? Uracil, guanine, cytosine. Next codon is uracil, guanine, adenine. Next codon, uracil, guanine, guanine. Now this row is completed. And second one, second row, first position, cytosine. Okay, and then in second position, first codon, uracil. In third position, first codon, uracil, C, U. Okay, next the second codon is C, U, C. Third codon is C, U, A. Next codon C, U, G. Is it clear? Okay, next C, U. C, 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 A, C, C, G. Okay, now what are the next codons? C, A, U, C, A, C, C, A, C, A, G. Okay, like that, how many codons are formed? The 64 codons. And this row 4, next row 4, third row, and here in each box consists of 4 nitrogen bases. Okay, each box is consists of 4 nitrogen bases. So altogether, how many codons are present? 64 codons. The 64 codons are codes for 60. Among the 64 codons, how many codons are codes for amino acids? 61 codons. Now we have to know the UUU codon is codes for synthesis of phenylalanine amino acid. PHE means phenylalanine. UUU codon is codes for the synthesis of which amino acid? Phenylalanine amino acid. UUC also codes for synthesis of the same amino acid, that is phenylalanine. Okay, next the codon UUA. Codon is codes for synthesis of leucine amino acid. LEU means leucine amino acid. UUG also codes for synthesis of leucine amino acid. Okay, next UCU codon is codes for synthesis of serine amino acid. UCC, UCA, UCG, these codons are also codes for synthesis of serine amino acid. SERINE, serine amino acid. Okay, SER means serine amino acid. Is it clear? Okay, next UAU. UAU codon is codes for synthesis of tyrosine amino acid. TYR means tyrosine amino acid. Tyrosine amino acid. Okay, UAU, UAC, these two codons are codes for synthesis of tyrosine amino acid. Okay, in this column UAA, UAG codons do not code for synthesis of any amino acid. Hence, these codons are known as stop codons. Okay, na? UAA, UAG codons do not code for synthesis of amino acid. Hence, these are known as stop codons. You must be remembered, it's important for objective point of view. The stop codons are 3. Among the 3, this is one for stop codon, UAA, another stop codon, UAG. Okay, na? And next, UGA. UGA, third stop codon. What are the stop codons? Stop codons are UAA, UAG, UGA. How many codons are present in this checkerboard? 64 codons. Among the 64, 3 codons do not code for synthesis of amino acids. Hence, these codons are known as stop codons. Okay, na? What are the stop codons? UAA, UAG, UGA. Next, in this column, the UGE codon is codes for synthesis of cysteine amino acid. Cysteine. Already have learned about the two types of amino acids, cysteine, methionine in mineral nutrition chapter, that is in first PUC. Okay, here the UGU codon is codes for synthesis of which amino acid? Cysteine amino acid. And UCC also codes for synthesis of same amino acid, that is cysteine. Okay, UCA is the start codon. Next, UGG E codon. E is codes for synthesis of tryptophan. TRP means tryptophan. Tryptophan amino acid. TRP means tryptophan amino acid. UGG is codes for synthesis of tryptophan amino acid. Is it clear? Now we have to see the next column. CUU codon is codes for synthesis of leucine amino acid. Along with this codon, rest of the three codons in this column, in this box, the rest of the three codons, CUC, CUA, CUG, also codes for synthesis of same amino acid, leucine amino acid. Okay? Next, CCU codon is codes for synthesis of proline amino acid. Along with this CCU, CCC, CCA, CCG, all these four codons codes for synthesis of which amino acid? Proline. PRO means proline amino acid. Okay, next CAU, CAC. These both codons are codes for synthesis of histidine amino acid. Histidine amino acid. CAU, CAC. Both the codons are codes for synthesis of histidine amino acid. Okay, next CAA. Codon is code for synthesis of glutamine amino acid. Glutamine, CAA is codes for synthesis of glutamine amino acid. GLN, and also along with this codon, CAG codon is also codes for synthesis of same amino acid, that is glutamine. GLN means glutamine amino acid. Okay, is it clear? Next, the CGU, CGC, CGA, CGG, all these four codons are codes for synthesis of arginine amino acid. Arginine, ARG means arginine amino acid. Okay, na? Is it clear? Next, in third row, the first box, the ASUU codon is codes for synthesis of isoleucine. ILE. I, it stands for represent iso. Next letter alphabet. LE stands for leucine. So what is the amino acid here? Isoleucine amino acid. So AUU, AUC, AUA, all these three codons codes for synthesis of same amino acid, that is isoleucine. Okay, na? ILE means isoleucine. Next, AUC codon is codes for met amino acid, methionine. MET means methionine amino acid. Okay, next, ACU, ACC, ACA, ACG, all these four codons codes for synthesis of same amino acid, that is THR. THR means threonine amino acid. Okay, na? Threonine amino acid. Next, AUU, AAU, AAC. These two codons are codes for synthesis of ASN amino acid. ASN means aspargine amino acid. These both the codons codes for synthesis of aspargine amino acid. Okay, na? Next, AAA, AAG. These two codons are codes for synthesis of lysine amino acid. LYS means lysine amino acid. Is it clear? Next, AGU, AGC. These both codons are codes for synthesis of amino acids. Serine amino acid. AGU, AGC. Both the codons are codes for synthesis of serine amino acid. Okay. Next, AGA, AGG. These both codons are codes for synthesis of arginine amino acid. Okay, next GGU. First of all, you have to know the first box in this fourth row. GUU codon is codes for synthesis of valine amino acid. Along with this codon, in this box, rest of the three codons are also codes for synthesis of same amino acid. That is valine. Is it clear? Next, GCU, GCC, GCA, GCG. All these four codons codes for synthesis of alanine amino acids. Okay. Next, GAU, E codon, GAC. Both the codons are codes for synthesis of aspartate amino acid. ASP means aspartate amino acid. Okay. Next, GAA, GAG. Both the codons are codes for synthesis of glutamate amino acid. GLU means glutamate amino acid. Okay. Next, GGU, GGC, GGA, GGG. All these four codons are codes for synthesis of same amino acid, that is lysine. So here the amino acids, what is the importance of amino acids? The amino acids are involved in synthesis of proteins. Okay, na? Is it clear? So in next class we will discuss about the properties of genetic code and rest of the concept in a genetic code.